Shandong Zhongyu Heavy Industry Machinery Co., Ltd., is a private group company established in March 2006, located in the city's National Economic Development Zone, with an independent production site of more than 40,000 square meters, mainly engaged in CNC vertical lathe machine research and development and manufacturing. Zhongyu Machine Tool has passed the ISO Quality Management System certification and the EU CE Safety System certification. Its products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions such as Europe, America, Asia, Oceania, and Africa, and it has many product patents and honorary certificates. It is a continuous innovation enterprise. The company has a machining workshop, a precise and constant temperature assembly room, advanced testing technology and testing equipment, and provides a complete set of intelligent services for automobile manufacturing, aviation, aerospace, construction machinery, high-speed rail, elevators, new energy motor casings, and other machinery manufacturing industries. While paying attention to product quality, the company constantly optimizes customer service and carries out scientific and technological innovation, and makes unremitting efforts to meet customer requirements. All friends are willing to work together with friends from all walks of life to create a better tomorrow.